Bill Goudy checking in. It is time. Yes, it is time to get the priority straight. I'm looking for a vessel of amber fluid. Yep, there it is. Been working really hard all day long for this right here. Oh, it's cold. It warmed up. Now it's getting cold. They're forecasting more snow. It's snowing right now. You gotta love it. Man, that is good. I have been waiting all day for that. Man, it's tough. Dick Bartley's on. Rock and Roll's Greatest Hits. 94.5 The X out of Kirksville, Missouri. Man, I love listening to that station. I look forward to that every week. Every week I listen to his station. There'll be a link down below. You can listen to them online as well. So if you aren't by a station that broadcasts Dick Bartley, get online and you can listen to them. Bulldog's supposed to be coming down. We're going to do a little shrimp boil. Check it out. Let me see if I can do this without getting in the light. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good. So, we're doing a shrimp boil, sausage shrimp boil. And this is being sponsored by my good buddy, Chef Porquet. Now, it's a veggie boil or a seafood boil. 4 ounces per gallon of water. I got my little cup here to measure out the amount. And I'm telling you, this is his private stock. You can get this online. If you want to try this yourself, there'll be a link below where you can buy this online. It is awesome. I will tell you that. Yeah, you can see I've had a couple of batches out of that bottle already. So, what I got there is, I don't know, a couple onions cut up, 3 different types of sausage. I got about a half a pound of shrimp, and it's freezing fast. Yeah, I have, this is a minced garlic that I minced up, and I have this in a jar. Make it easier for me. And then over here, yeah, one of my favorites, those the red Class B potatoes, those small little potatoes, and I slice those so that they'll soak up that seasoning. And then 1 gallon of fresh water. Let's get to cooking, shall we? You'll need 1 campfire. You'll need 1 nice campfire right here. That is a hot fire. Let me see if I can reflect that LED light around. Little Crosby, Stills, Nash, and Young on there. Yeah. Yep. Have to haul my water in this time of year. All right. I'm going to let that water come to a boil before I add anything to it. Well, there's nothing like waiting for water to boil on a cold night. Yeah, well, and guess what? I tend to wear one glove out before the other glove. So call me conservative, call me crazy. They don't match, but I don't care. Keeps my hand warm. I have to drink this beer fast so it don't freeze. I just got a call from Bulldog. His four-wheel drive is out. You don't think he's going to make it up my lane. He lives about 25 miles from here. So I don't blame him. The weather is turning off bad. It's not worth taking the risk. And I already got the food all out. I'm going to cook it. He said maybe tomorrow and after, but they're calling for another front tomorrow too. So we'll see. It won't go to waste. I'll tell you that right now. And it's probably good for me to cook ahead, just because if it is as bad tomorrow, I got something to eat, something good to eat right now. So, looks like we're boiling. Let's get to cooking. I almost forgot. Yeah, corn. I'm going to put a few corn on the cob in there, but I won't put it in until towards the end. I think we're at a rolling boil. That's what we want. Oh yeah, look at that. Rolling boil. That adds flavor. All right, so 4 ounces. 4 ounces of the chef's secret blend of peppers and spices. Chef Porquet. And my garlic's frozen. My garlic is frozen. I'm going to put in, this is minced garlic. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons full. I'm going to try. Minced garlic. You can put cloves in there if you wanted. Yep. So, it's snowing so hard. I don't know if you can see that or not. That right there is the shrimp and the deer sausage. It's actually deer brats. It's a spicy deer brat I'm going to cook in with this. And they're kind of freezing up. So anyway, underneath the deer sausage, there's shrimp in there that I've peeled and deveined and cleaned. I know some people say you shouldn't eat the shrimp, but in moderation. I've been doing moderation. All right. So we're still boiling, but this is going to cool it off. Now I'm putting these in first because this is all raw meat. None of this is cooked here, so this has to cook. But I want it to cook with that, with the spices. Man. I think they're frozen. I don't think that extra snow will help. It won't hurt anything. Adds to the fluid. Alright, I'm going to build that fire back up and bring that back up to rolling boil. Good hot fire. Moisture trapped in them logs. That cool? Yeah. As long as I don't catch on fire, it's cool. So, I believe we are back up to a rolling boil. Yes, we are. And I'm going to let that boil for, well, it looks like they're Coming along pretty good. Probably about another 5-6 minutes we'll boil. Smells so good. Well, you know what they say about a watch pot. And all I can do is sit back and wait. It's probably better that I don't watch. But I do want to show you something. Something I'm going to have. I didn't mention this earlier. And I don't know why. Well, this is my Busch beer bread. This one got a little overcooked on the top, but boy, the bread is excellent. And I'm going to be breaking some bread with my homemade Busch beer bread. Thanks to Melissa Witt giving me that, give me a pointer on that recipe. So I'm gonna have a little bread and a little shrimp boil, a little shrimp deer sausage. We'll just call it a shrimp and sausage boil with Chef Porquet's special spices. I'm just waiting for it to cook. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Man, oh man, does this look good. Here's my Busch beer bread. Yeah, I got a little dark on the top. It's not burnt, it's just dark. But, you know, actually, usually I see the bottom. But on my case, on this batch, the top got a little dark. Melt that butter on there. All right, so there's potato, onion, corn, sausage, a shrimp. Looky there. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Oh, that is so good. Wow. You just can't beat it. Deer sausage, shrimp, regular sausage, onion, corn on the cob, homemade Busch bread, and a high quality Busch beer in a bottle. Regular Busch beer in a long neck bottle. Almost slushy. Thank you, Chef. Thank you for the opportunity to try this spice out. It is awesome. If you guys want it, check out his link. It's down below. Check out Melissa. She inspired me on the bread. I'd like to hang around, but I'm hungry. Bill Goudy out.